Hello everyone. Well, I said it's good morning. Welcome to my channel again. And today I'm bringing you the user unboxing experience of the all new ROG Ally handheld gaming console. Okay, so today only I've got this console this morning only, and I'm very much excited. This is the first time a handheld console gaming has been launched in India. Right now, it was available on Flipkart on the 7th of July, but from 10th of July onwards, you will get on Flipkart as well as Asus eShop, and as well as on the Asus offline shop as well. So it's an what will I say? It's a small console with small PC. If I say, okay, you can see where it got manufactured. You can see all the details. You will get all the serial numbers here, and here it is costing around 94,990. It's showing the price here on this console, but in India it's got launched on 69,990. There is two variant where the processor is coming with AMD Ryzen Z1, another Ryzen Z1 Extreme. But for India, it got launched with Z1 Extreme, which is a high-end version. So you will get the good console, the high-end console on the first hand itself. Yes. So let's start with the unboxing, and and I will give you all whatever the details are there. So let's start it. It is the first unboxing I'm giving to you guys. Nice. Okay, this is pretty little bit huge box. I keep inside the plastics. Yes. Oh, there is two selling. My bad. Okay, so here is all the details you will get on which what is the where do you need to charge, where to power on, and all the barcodes you will get. This is the console. Oh god, it's a nice console. Yeah, keep it inside. Let's see what's inside there on the box. Here you will get it, all the stuffs, all the documents you will get here, and how to which button which need to configure. You will get the details here. Okay, it is here. Okay. Okay. Okay, you will get the charger. And here you will get the adapter. I think that is there. I think this much is only available on the box itself. So I keep it this aside. If I go to the console, it's a pretty big console actually. It got handheld pretty more comfortably. The feedback is good. Let's unwrap this one. It's good to feel on unboxing experience. Yeah. And Yes, so this is the console. Here you'll get all the two joysticks, the configure buttons. Here we'll give it the 3.5 mm jack. You will get a micro SD slot. You get a USB charging port, USB Type C, as well as a display connecting port. You can connect an external GPU here itself. Okay, and this is a power list and volume high and low button, and you will also get a power button. Please note this is also an fingerprint scanner also. You will get the trigger here itself, and accordingly it's good. Let's turn it on. Okay, I think charges are not there, so let's charge this first. Okay, and we'll get back to you shortly. Yes, I've turned it on while keeping it on charge, so you will get all the RGB lights here on the D-pads, and you can see it's a little bit colorful. It's showing us Republic of Gamers. If I say for the configuration parts, it's coming with a 16 GB of RAM. Okay, and it's coming with the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, which is built up of with Zen of 4 architecture with 4 nanometer process. Okay, and we will graphics card of AMD Radeon. Okay, and you will get a 7-inch display and IPS display with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus screen protection, and you will get the refresh rate of 120 Hz. Okay, it's turning on. Yes, and as I said, it's a 16 GB RAM with 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage. You can expand your storage with the help of SSD, and it will expand up to 512 GB only. You will get 2 speakers here with a 10 watt, and I think you already got the review on the other YouTubes, but it's a good speaker. Let's see what's come first. Yes, and you will get a 40 watt also battery, and a 65 watt power charger, which I already connected. Hopefully it's a weight around 608 grams, and also there is an introductory offer like from the Microsoft. You will get a 3-month Game Pass free. Basis on that, you will get, yes, it's started right now. Yes, first I need to configure. Yes, so let me configure it, and accordingly we'll get to the main screen. Yeah, at last we have completed our setup, and it's little got time consuming because the setup was a little lengthy, and I also installed one of the game to show you all on this how the performance looks like, and it's pretty good. A small Windows tablet of 7 inches. You can, beside the games, you can also do all the Windows activity, whatever the personal things you need to do. So you can do it here as well. It's a complete touch bar, which you will get it. Yes, and I'll show you one of the games how the performance looks like. So before that, you can also change the setting from the Asus control here. You can just change the mode to Windows or silent or performance or turbo, whatever the mode preference on your operating mode. You can just perform it and handle this console. Just for now, as I play with a high-end game, I'm selecting as turbo mode only. So you can see what is the frequency level is going, how was the CPU usage, what is the GPU usage, and also here it will show all the system stats are there, right? So here it will show what's the RAM capacity, what's the storage capacity, how many fans are running. As you know, there are 2 fans are there here. Yeah, so to cool the system, and as I say, for like as per the configuration, it's very silent. It doesn't, the fans are not very loud, or the heat is, it's not heating that much, and also you will get the heat sink here to throw the heat out from here. So it's good actually. So if I go and go to the home menu, yes, so I will open the game, how it looks like. Let's play it. So yes, I'm launching a NFS Hot Pursuit Remastered Edition. Actually, it's reminding on my old days, childhood days, where I used to play this old version of the NFS Hot Pursuit, but this is a remastered edition. So I tried to install the Forza Horizon 5, but somehow the game is not opening with my Xbox Game Pass. But I will let me try to install other game from Xbox, and I will let you know. Here the interface is going to start it. The sounds are pretty good, as you see, as you can hear. There's two 10-watt speaker you will get with the Dolby surround. Okay, that's good only. Sorry. As you can see, so I'm opening up again. It's taking a little bit of time to connect to the server. Just hold it. Yes. Right now, certain carrier. Give you the overview how this looks. As you can see, it's on a full sound. As you see, it's on full sound, and the sounds are pretty good actually. So I'm going to the game and selecting the color. Here it is.
The Porsche engineers knew exactly what they were doing.
Starting the game. It is a TFT display. I know it's not a OLED display, the sharp picture quality you will get, but it's a pretty good display. As I say for the console gaming, and the price point which you're getting is pretty good. I'm not that much good on the gaming part, so hopefully I can able to play. As you can see, the graphics are pretty good. There is no lag or no down on the performance. I think it's pretty good, as it is a handheld console PC you're getting. So if I say, if anyone is looking for any alternative laptop configuration, then you can go for this. At least yes, it will not look as not replace the laptop completely, but yes, you can at least carry it as a mini laptop where you will get the high-end specs and able to also play the games of fun stuff, have for entertainment, and also if you have it for office purpose also, that also good. But yeah, that's how it looks like. Yes. The graphics are very smooth, and as I said, it's suppose 120 Hz refresh rate. I'm not checking the what's the frame rates is the game is carrying, but yes, it's pretty good actually. Yeah. If I go to the pause option, you can also go here and close this game directly. But I will not suggest you guys. I will suggest you to close the game from the game itself. Yes. So this is the Asus Ally console which you will get. Okay, and give me a moment. Okay, the game launch again. 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, so this is a Asus Ally console which you will get. It's a pretty good console game with a high-end specs processor. Right now, it's as I said on my earlier, it was available on Flipkart on 7th of July. And this got delivered me today only to me at morning at 9th of July, and I got a pretty good deal. If I say you, it's a pretty good deal which I have got. So if you take an Flipkart Game Pass. Okay, the at the original cost of this is 69,990. If you take the Flipkart Game Pass, you will get a 1,500 direct discount. Okay, and later they have the bank discount offer. If you're taking on EMI, so then from HDFC card you will get a 4,000 rupees discount and plus 24th month no cost EMI. That's pretty good actually. And if you're that's directing swiping with HDFC card or debit or a credit card, you will get the 5,000 off. Means almost if you take the Game Pass and the HDFC card discount, you will get approx 5.5 or 6 grams discount on this console. It will come around 64, 63 something. So which just cost me like that only. And it's pretty good actually. I'm having a Asus Z30 laptop as well. That is also pretty good laptop, handy laptop. But this is the first time I'm having this handheld console PC, which can I can able to play it for my entertainment. I can carry it anywhere, and I can use it for personal use as well. Okay, right now why do I'm not sure what will the battery backup, because as this Asus commented, it will give around 5 to 6 hours. But many of the YouTubers are reviewing up that it will give 2 to 3 hours. Hopefully the Asus will fix this. I'll give the more performance on the battery. So we'll wait for the further update from the Asus. Yes, so that's it, folks. So for my side, I will see you again. I hope you like this video, and I'm really appreciate if you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and give you a fair comment how you like that video about. And you can also give the comment on this new Asus Ally handheld console. Yes, that's it, folks. See you again on my next video. Thank you.